What is up, Giz Army? It is your girl LATRICE, and I'm back at you again with another natural ass hair video. And today I did coils on my hair for the very first time at this length. Okay, and I actually separated and took them out. And, you know, I think we did good. I think we did amazing. Anyway, I envisioned, you know, this being like an afro, but you know that never works out for me. So here's what I decided to do. This little hairstyle I came up with. And if you want to see how I use only two Lotta body products and 2 combs, so if you want to see which products I used, make sure you stay tuned, okay? Ew, what's up, naturalistas? So first, I just gotta tell you, this is a paid partnership with Lotta Body, as well as all of these opinions and feedback that I provide you on their products are my own. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get into it, okay? So first product that I use from Lotta Body is the Elongate Me Curl Stretcher. As I mentioned before, I'm doing a coil out, I guess you could call it, on my hair for the very, very first time at this length. The last time I did it, my hair was super short, and I actually didn't do it. My homegirl did it, so this is something new for me. So just bear with me, because I'm going to provide you guys with some tips that I learned along the way, as well as let you guys know exactly how I felt about using these 2 products together. So as you can see right now, I'm taking the curl stretcher and I'm basically just raking it through my hair using my fingers at this point. And then I use the Hold Me Maximum Hold Styling Gel as basically a hold to my strands. And I think this is definitely going to help me to define my coil throughout the process. Now that I have completely raked through my hair with both of the products, I begin to, you know, coil that thing up. So like I was telling you guys, what I learned was that I should probably start at the root and coil and use my hands to twirl my hair further and further down as I get towards my ends, because I did notice at the end that my roots were really puffy, and I can tell now by watching the video that I should have started at the base of my scalp and then continued forth. So as you can see now, I noticed that, and then I started to go back to my roots and kind of tighten those up. And I use the same method throughout my entire head. So with that being said, I'm just gonna let you guys watch as I continue to do my hair in these beautiful coils while I tell you a little bit about each product. So the Elongate Me Curl Stretcher combined with the styling gel, I felt like was the perfect combination. As you can see, I might have put too much product on my hair. With these products, a little goes a long way, especially if you're low porosity like me. But regardless, once I dried my hair out, it was completely fine. And I can't forget to mention, these products smell amazing, and the slip on both of these products is amazing. And if you look right here, you can definitely tell that I got better as I got to the left side of my head. So now you're gonna view my hair as it is completely dry, and your girl just killed her makeup. Okay, so it's completely dry now, and I'm about to go in and just separate my hair and fluff it out. I used an oil all over my hands, and I sprayed some oil all over each coil, and then I gently untwined each one. And then as I took one out, I just kind of like separated it maybe into 2 or 3, and then once I finished a section, I went back in and separated a little bit more. But regardless, I'm gonna go through this process and just take down every single last coil. Y'all, when I tell you, this took me like maybe 20 minutes to unravel everything, but I think the end state of it all was totally worth it. You guys let me know in the comments if you think that 20 minutes of takedown was absolutely worth my time. I do, but still, your opinions are always wanted. So I intended to do my hair in like an afro with like a bang, but it obviously did not work out that way. I don't know what happened, but sometimes you envision something to happen a certain way, and it just doesn't happen like that. No. So as I decided to, continue to add volume to my hair using this Lotta Body pick, I was thinking about what else I could do to my hair, because I just didn't feel it. I wasn't feeling it, y'all. It happens sometimes, okay? Sometimes it just doesn't work out the way you want it to. It's completely fine. So me being the creative person that I am, I was thinking of new or something else that I could do that I hadn't really done before. So like here, I was like, maybe I could do some bangs. And I was like, yeah, no, that's not gonna work either. Come on, girl, need you to have my bag. Any other time you don't want to listen to me. So I ended up deciding on putting my hair in a cute little updo with some really cute clips. You can't really see them though, but I clipped it up on each side, leaving the back out a little bit, and of course a little bit of my coils in the front as a cute little bang. I always find that the like little small tendrils just kind of, give that hairdo just a little extra spot. You know what I'm saying? Alright, Kids Army, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more of the lovely Leslie LATRICE, be sure to subscribe to my channel below. Thumbs up this video and comment. I'm ready to engage. You hear me? You hear me? Okay. I love you guys. I will see you guys on the next upload. It is your girl Leslie LATRICE, and remember to always protect your peace. Vicky out. Follow me on TikTok.